Let's make adorable heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. Preheat the oven according to the package directions on the canned cinnamon rolls you're using. To form the heart shape, use your fingers to press down at the top where the end of the roll rests and then squeeze the other side into a V shape. Bake according to the package directions. Halfway through the baking time, remove the rolls from the oven and carefully reinforce the heart shape with the handle of a spoon and your hands. Place the cinnamon rolls back in the oven to finish baking. Once baked, drizzle with icing while still warm. Oh my yum! Sprinkle with Valentine sprinkles to make them extra special. These are super simple to make and would be the perfect sweet treat for Valentine's Day or any day you're wanting to serve some love. Enjoy!